Alright guys, I have a Stealcase Leap version 2 here, and there's a lot of function in this chair we'll talk about in a minute. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel if you're interested in product reviews. Alright, let's get into it. So the seat is a nice fabric and it can be customized to different colors, and this back also is cushioned. It can also be customized, so it has a lot of features. On the right side under the arm pad, it has a list of functions what it is on the right side. So these armrests are height adjustable, also they are width adjustable, they're like depth adjustable, so it's pivot adjustable. And so on the right side it has upper back force, so once you turn this thing, this has upper back support, so this upper back is also adjustable how much it pushes back. The second feature is back stopper, so once you click this button, it locks that how further back you can lock it, so it tilts back and it's a synchronized tilt. So once you push it back, the seat also goes forward. And the next thing is seat height adjustable, so the seat is height adjustable. Once I pull that lever, the whole seat goes up. And the next thing is lower back firmness, so this thing is for the lower back firmness, how much firmness is in the back. And on the other side, it's again the same adjustable arm pad obviously, and it mentions here that it is seat depth adjustable. So once you press it, it's the seat depth is adjustable. It can come forward, it can go backwards. For people who want to have different kind of adjustment, it's a good feature. Another feature we have here is a lumbar height adjustment. So from this side, this is the lumbar back firmness, so from here it's the height adjustment. So once you go up and down, it changes where the back support is on your back, and you can kind of adjust it. Of course, it has a swivel wheel that can roll nicely on the carpet or on the hardwood, and they're very smooth, like super smooth than any other chair that I've seen. So it's fully loaded with all the features. It's a V2, and I like this chair. I recommend this chair for any kind of office use. For people who like an ergonomic chair, it's a perfect fit for everyone. Alright guys, thank you so much. Subscribe the channel. I hope you like it.